Good morning, students. My name is Dilip Karmato and I am your math teacher of class 5. Previous classes we have read the international value charts and ordering and comparing the large numbers. Today we will read the forming number, that how can you form a number of greatest and smallest digits by the digit. So I am giving an example here to understand it, that I am giving example 5, 6, 7, 3, 0 and 9. There are some digits here. I want to find the greatest number and smallest number. For greatest number, we should remember always that the number should be started by is greater to smaller. That means here the greatest number is 9 and the smallest number is 0. So we will write the 9. So at first we will write the 9, then 7, 6, 5, 3 and 0 like this. Okay, that will be the greatest number. Now the smallest number. How can you write the smallest number? In the smallest number we have to remember the one condition, that the smallest number is here 0, but we also know that never a number is started by the 0. So we will start after the 0, then the smallest number is 3. So we will write 3 here, then after 0, then the similar rule will be that is smallest to greatest. That in here the smallest number is 0 and greatest number is 9, but 0 can never be started by the started number. So at first will be 3, then 0, then 5, 6, 7 and 9. Okay, I am giving a next example. In another case, that there are some digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the condition is that 3 will be on 1000 place. We have 7 digits here, so we will make the 7 places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And at first in this case, at first we will make the condition fulfill. We will fulfill the condition. The condition is 3 will be on the 1000 place, so we will count the 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100,000. This is 1000, so we will write here 3. Then we want to make the greatest number. So as you know that the greatest number should be the greatest to lowest. So here is the greatest number is 7, so I write 7, then 6, then 5, and 3 has fulfilled before, so write 3, 4, 2 and 1 like this type. In this case we will at first fulfill the condition, then after we will make the numbers. Next example, here is some digits 2, 3, 1, 7, 8, and as you know that there is only 5 digits and we want to make the greatest number of 8 digits. In 5 digit we have 5 digits and we want to make the 8 digits. It is not possible. That means the question had said that you can repeat the numbers, okay, and you want to make the greatest number. So at first we will make the 8 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have the 8 places, but we want to make the greatest number. Then as you know that the greatest number should be started by the greatest to lowest. So this here is the greatest number is 8, so left it, and the remaining 4 digits will be placed here 1, 2, 3, 7 from the right side 1, 2, 3, 7, and the 4 places will be left. Then in the 4 places will be the greatest number, which is here 8. Okay, this can we can make the greatest number of 8 digits. Now how can we make the smallest number of 8 digits? As we know that we have to make the 8 digits, so at first we will make the 8 places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and as we know that the smallest number should be started by smallest to greatest. So the number here is the smallest number is 1, so left it, and the remaining 4 digits will be placed here, which as you know that the smallest number will be started by smallest and end by the greater. So you write here the greater number 8732, then the remaining 4 places which is left by the we can fill by using the smallest number 1. Okay, by this we can make the smallest number of 8 digits. Now the next topic, estimation. In this topic we want to estimate the values, the place values of tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, etc. Okay, so estimate tens place. How can you estimate the tens place? There is an example 7362. This is a number 7362. I want to estimate the tens place. There is a tens place 6. So if you want to estimate the tens place, then we will see the right number. After the right number of this tens place, this is 2, and as you know that 2 is less than 5, so the tens place will be same, and then after the right of this number will be 0, and after the left this number will be same. Again, estimate 100 place. If I want to estimate the 100 place, that is 3, then we will look after the right of this number. This is 6, that means 6 greater than 5. So we can say that 100 plus 3 will be 4, and the right of this place will be zeros, and the left of this place will be same. Again, estimate 1000 place. That means we want to estimate this 7 place, and after this place, after the right this number, we have 3, that is 3 less than 5. So we can say that after the right of these numbers will be 0 and the left will be same. Okay, there is one condition, that if in which place we want to estimate after the right of this number, if the number is more than 5 or equal to 5, then the place which want to estimate will be +1, and if the number is below than 5, then the place we want to estimate will be same. Okay, now the next topic, Roman number. Here we want to convert the number into a Roman number or Roman into a number. Okay, for this we have given here a chart, which is the top row this is number and the bottom row is a Roman number. Okay, as you know that 1 can be written as I, 5 written as B, 10 written as X, 50 written as L, 100 written as C, 500 is written D, 1000 is written as M. Okay, I am writing here these charts because by using these digits or by using this alphabetical, we can make the Roman number to Roman and Roman to number. Okay, before the forming number to Roman, you want to know some rules, that what are the rules to make a Roman number. Okay, for this I am giving here, there are some rules. Rule number one is VLD. V that means 5, L that means 50, D that means 500. Never repeat. In a Roman number, these numbers cannot be repeated. That means there will be only once time. Okay, rule 2, 1 XCM, that means 1, 10, 100, 1000 can be repeated 3 times. That means these numbers can be repeated in a Roman number 3 times only, maximum 3 times. Okay, the rule 3rd, there is a language. I am giving an example here to understand it better. You can write in the copy the language, that is X that means 10, 5 that means B that means 5. Okay, as you know that 5 is smaller than the 10, that means the statement is saying that if a number, smaller number is on the right of the greatest number, then the number will be added here. Okay, like this. It is the rule 3, that if a smaller number is on the right of the greatest number, then we can add the numbers. Now rule number 4. Rule number 4 is saying that if a smaller number, that is 1, it is 10. If a smaller number is on the left side of the greatest number, this is the left side. If a smaller number is on the left side of this greater number, then we can subtract the smallest number by the greatest number. That means the greatest number is 10, we can subtract the smallest 1. Okay? This is the rule number 4. Next, the rule number 5. The rule number 5 is, if we have the 3 series, we have the 3 alphabets in which the middle number is smallest, the smallest number, then the first number will be written same and the smallest number will be subtracted by the right side of these numbers. That means here is 10, here is 1, here is 5. So 10 is written like as 1, this is subtracted by the right side of this number, that is 5. So we can subtract it, 5 minus 1, and we can write it 10 plus 5 minus 1, 4 is equal to 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, we know. Today we read the rules of Roman number. Next day we will continue the class of questions of Roman number. Okay.